Hey everyone, I'm back with the Realistic Horror Game Kit, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to implement jump scares into your horror game. So, you can see we have this dummy right here. If we go up to him, a jump scare plays, it clicks, and then we respawn. So when you insert the kit into Studio Now, there are a couple new things that I added. Inside of the replicated storage folder, there's a new event called jump scare. Inside of the server script service folder, there is a new script called jump scare event. Inside of the starter GUI folder, there is two new things, a jump scare script and a respawn UI. And then inside of the workspace folder, there's a new thing called the jump scare dummy, and then the jump scare box, which is where that like jump scare animation plays. So I'll just set this up really quick and I'll get back to you when that's done. Alright, so everything is set up and it already works. If you go up to it and touch it, the jump scare plays and you get jump scared, it clicks and you respawn. But I want to show you guys how you can customize it and make it to your liking. Alright, so the first thing is the actual jump scare dummy itself. Inside of it, there's a hitbox. Basically, if I set this transparency to 0, you can see how big it is. You guys can change this how big or how small you want it to be. Just make sure that you weld it to the humanoid root part, because this isn't anchored. So make sure you weld it to that humanoid root part, and because in a future episode we might make this into an AI that chases you. So if that hitbox isn't welded, then it'll just fall off and there will be no way to detect if the player hit the dummy. You guys can make this look however you want. I don't care. Make it yours and spice it up. Now onto the jump scare box. In here is where the actual animation plays. So you can see there is a dummy that is separated from that one. So whatever changes you make to that one, I suggest making it to this one as well, unless you want the jump scare dummy to be different than the one you encounter. Do what you want, you know. Decorate this. You guys can put a background behind this. You guys don't need a black box for it to be in. I just put it in there because I don't know. You guys, there's a light in here. If we go inside the jump scare box model, there's a light. This is set to red. You guys can delete it, change it to whatever color you want. It looks a lot better when it's night in the game. So if I set it to nighttime, you can see it's a lot brighter. In the jump scare box, there's a part called the camera part. This is where the camera locks onto. And if you wanted to make it less like up in the face of the dummy, you can move it back. You can move it forward. Anyways, that pretty much wraps up the video. As with these scripts, I wouldn't really touch any of them unless you know what you're doing, because there is a chance that you mess it up. But if you know what you're doing, feel free to edit them however you like. If you have any questions or concerns regarding the kit, please join the Discord server linked in the description of the video. I have great staff. I'm on there, and we try to help you guys with any problems that you may have. On top of that, if you enjoy the video, make sure you like, subscribe on your way out, chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.